PalliPartners Compound Microscope. For adults and kids. 100x to 000x. High-Power Biological Microscope for students. School, lab, and home education. With slide set and phone adapter white. Light source type LED. Material metal. Color brown. Product dimensions 5.71L. x 3.9 for W x 9.8 for H. Real angle of view 30 degrees. Magnification maximum 2000x. Item weight 1.65 kilograms. Voltage 240 volts. Brand PalliPartners. Compatible devices smartphone. Professional grade magnification and clarity. Precision engineered with WF to 5x eyepiece and 4x, 10x, 40x. Objectives for 6 magnification levels. 100x to 000x. Ideal for observing cell structures in biological microscope studies. This compound light microscope delivers lab-certified resolution. Certified compatible with Microscopio Professional Para Laboratorio standards. Dual control focus system heavy-duty monocular. Microscope with coarse, fine focusing. Knobs 0.1 mm precision. Ensures razor-sharp imaging of bacteria slides. Reinforced metal frame supports. Microscope for adults professional use in university labs. Lab-grade illumination technology. Dual LED lights top-bottom. With 6-level brightness control. Plus 0.65 Na condenser creates. Optimal contrast for science microscope specimens. Perfect for observing plant cells transparent and insect wings opaque. Complete STEM learning kit includes 50 to piece. Accessories, 15 prep slides. Phone adapter, carrying case. Portable microscope design meets SDEM toy standards, weighs only 3.2 pounds with shock-proof bag. Multi-age scientific exploration from microscope for kids. 4 to 6 basic slides to teens. 13 to 16 microbiology experiments. Certified eye-safe for kid microscope for 5-year-old users. Makes perfect biology gifts for all skill levels.